New Boracay's regulations. Tourist island Boracay was closed for 6 months for rehabilitation as the renowned beach destination grappled with sewage woes, overcrowding and haphazard development. Once the island reopened third week of October after Phase 1 of its rehabilitation, officials vowed to implement new rules to preserve what they promised to be a more pristine island. Here are some of the new regulations to be enforced on Boracay. 1. Only 19,000 tourists may stay on the island. 2. Tourists may be required to present hotel reservation slips before entering the island. 3. No smoking and drinking alcoholic beverages along White Beach. 4. All water activities will be temporarily suspended. 5. Hot coal roasting of meats will be prohibited.